Hello everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the Polish girl who lives in Ireland and likes to knit, and today I have a finished object video, socks. Just to let you know, I hope you're watching this video on Knitting I Love channel, because lately people are taking my videos, so please check it. Okay, let's start. So first things first, I'm going to tell you what kind of tools I used and what kind of yarn I used and so on and so on. So let's start. First things first, I took this beautiful bag that I received from my friend, who is on Instagram as AZBike, so maybe I'll write down on the screen. And as I always say, she likes to knit, she likes to sew, but she likes bikes more. Here my keychain, you can find it in that shop. Socks this time, knit for a bit. Needles. First time ever I use different size of needles for socks, and this is 2.75 millimeters, which I presume is US size 2, and the cord over here is 80 centimeters, which is 32 inches, and I received this, I always say set, 2 and a cord. I received these needles with knit crate boxes. In one box, I can't tell you now which was it, but we got a Chagoo needles. And as you can see, I hold it over here in my DPN pouch in my shop. You can check it out if you are a DPN lover. This is for 6-inch. But on Instagram, I've noted that someone was using this pouch for circular needles, and I wanted to try it too. We just slide it in and we swirl and write. A quick review: swirl and this, whatever's here holds. It is quite different than my circular pouch, which you can do exactly the same over here. But the difference is that this pouch has a double layer, so it's thicker. It will hold better. Over here, as you can see, I hope you can see it, kind of change what I can say. Over here it dances in it a little bit, twists and so on and so on. It will work, I think, but still, for circulars, I'll go with this. That was just a test run. So that's that. Maybe it's different with different cords. At Chagoos, they have very stiff cord. It doesn't work with you. It will always do whatever it wants. I don't really mind. It was a big pleasure to knit with these because they're US size 2, which 2.75, which means I could knit these socks. And these socks were knitted with Regia, I hope I'll say it, Regia Aquarium color, and we have over here 150 gram. Well, we don't have any more, but what I wrote down over here for your information, how much we have over here in 150, and in case you would want to compare it to 100 grams. It's kind of a DK thing, I think. 250 meter DK sport, something like this. 75% superwash new wool and 25% polyamide, polyamide, and this is this beautiful colorway. I love it so much, and I received this ball. I know that's actually the skein, but let's say a ball from my friend when we did advent calendar swap, and she gifted this for Seb, so obviously I had to knit something for him, so I figured out I'm going to knit him socks, and it was a big pleasure because I could cast on 56 stitches. Obviously, well, with me, you know, if you don't know, you know now, I like to knit from the toes up because I can knit as long as I want. When I get bored, I'll just finish, and basically I increased it to 56 stitches, was knitting place after thought heel. If you're interested how I knit socks, maybe with this I did different the increases and the ones that you just pull the yarn through the stitch instead of knit through the front and back. as I would normally do, but check it out. You have almost an hour step-by-step tutorial, let's say, at how I knit my socks. There's plenty other ideas how you can knit socks if you want to, so it's not only one, and I enjoy it so much. And I can see this one was a pleasure. I knitted one at a time, so I had to count how many rows I have, and for placing heel, I just basically took the previous sock and I just laced it. I don't remember how many, but you know what, that'd be interesting to know for the future. Okay, so I did 50 rounds over here. So for the future, in case I'll be knitting onto a size 2, 50 rounds are okay. Well, I haven't asked Seb to try it on, and as you can see, I don't love my socks, you know. Why to waste water? They're not that bad. They're on feet, and I hope he's going to enjoy it. He likes to walk barefoot around the house, so I think thicker socks would be way better than the ones that he's using now, and especially during the winter, it'll be warmer, don't you think? How much grams did I use? I used 92 grams, so I should have over 50 grams over here left. So much fun, so much fun. And FYI, I got this, but in purple, to knit socks for myself, so that's probably next project. I have such a long list of things that I want to knit, so can someone give me an extra day in a week? Did I match them? I don't think I matched them, not at all. So that's that, 2x2 ribbing, afterthought heel, as I said. I think in the round I did 3 rounds as I would for myself when I use fingering weight yarn, and that's that. I think that's all. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you were knitting something from Regia, and if you did, let me know down below. How many socks have you knitted with this brand? Do you like it? Have you knitted with DK before? Do you knit with US size 2, 2.75 millimeters? What is your favorite needle size for a kind of this, a DK size? DK weight yarn? 250 meters in 100 grams? I would say 220 meters is DK, so 250, that's not a sport. That would be still DK, isn't it? Let me know down below. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Don't forget to use hashtag knitting I love. Show me what you're knitting. I will try to put all the links down below. The only links that I'm putting down below are my website, which is knittingilove.com. so if you click any links, double check that that's the website it's showing. As I said, lately people are stealing my videos and put some other things, other information down below, so check it out. Definitely Instagram knitting I love, and oh, tough times for me anyway. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. See you next one. I have a few finished objects, so finger crossed that I can post more. I want to also post a vlog for my holidays. I finished, I think, at least 3 or 4 objects that I want to post, and I also want to record a podcast, an episode, a little bit longer version of this, just chatting about my whips, what's in my needles, what's my future knitting, what my dream knitting is, and so on and so on. So I hope you stay tuned, subscribe, double check it's knitting I love, like, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!